So for today's video and content, another camera review na naman tayo sa isang iPhone na of course galing sa ating recommended shops sa Green Hills, which is CMB Gadgets and also KNL Telecom. So, we have here iPhone 11. So, let's go ahead and try to check this camera. Ano nga bang quality ng iPhone 11 and worth it nga ba bumili this year ng iPhone 11? So, let's go mga ka-J-Vlog. Check natin. So yun nga mga sismars, nabili natin to sa CMB Gadget kay Ate Mayet. Hindi po sila lumipat within this month. So ang price range ng ating iPhone 11 sa kanila is 13,000 to 14,000, yung 128 gigabytes nila. So I have here 128 gigabytes na iPhone 11. So i-check natin yung quality ng camera ng cellphone na to. But before that, of course, mga sismars, I just want to share some quick specification lang when it comes dito sa ating iPhone 11. So this iPhone 11 was released way back on year 2019. And sa display mga sismars, meron tong 6.1 inches liquid retina IPS LCD display na merong IP feature which is IP68 and na dust tight and water resistant. Pagdating naman sa body ng iPhone 11, yung front and back nito is kerning made glass at ito ay aluminum frame. Pagdating naman sa camera mga sismars, of course ito yung pinaka-trendy noon sa mga Gen Z. So si iPhone 11 ay merong dual camera. Both camera niya is 12 megapixel. Pagdating naman sa video recording when it comes sa main camera niya, good thing that this main camera also have a video recording na 4K resolution na merong 60 FPS. Pagdating naman sa selfie camera, we have here 12 megapixel and of course sa front-facing camera, ang video recording resolution nito is 4K up to 60 FPS. We also have 3 variants when it comes to storage ng iPhone 11. We have 64GB, 128GB, and also yung pinakamataas nila noon which is 256GB. When it comes naman sa color reference, meron tayong 6 choices dito sa iPhone 11. So we have black, green, yellow, purple, red, and white. So, sa battery capacity naman ni iPhone 11, meron tayong 3,110 mAh battery. And good thing that I love with iPhone 11 is hindi po ganun kabilis malobat itong cellphone na to. Pagdating naman sa chipset mga sismars, si iPhone 11 ay merong Apple A13 Bionic na merong iOS 13. Of course, upgradable po ito up until iOS 18.3, yung latest nating iOS version. So that is our quick specification look dito sa iPhone 11. So let's go ahead and proceed checking the camera of this iPhone 11. So as you can see in here, we have the black color of iPhone 11. This is 128GB. Again, price range is 13,000 to 14,000. Guys, I'm just giving you the price range since madalas pong nagsisale si Boss Mayet. Mas magandang i-DM sila directly sa page nila. Nasa description box po natin yan para ma-answer nila yung mga inquiries nyo or if by any chance you want to order from them if nasa outside Metro Manila kayo. Okay? So, ito yung camera ng ating iPhone 11. As you can see, of course, una-una dito na nagustuhan ko is yung 0.5 niya. So, dito kasi kay iPhone 11, nag-start talaga yung 0.5. So, we have here 0.5. Ayan, 1. And then, you can zoom the photo up until 5. So, we also have 4K in here. You can change the resolution in the upper right corner. 4K resolution na meron 60 FPS. Ayan, and then we have the flash button on the left corner. We also have here slow-mo, time-lapse, portrait, and also panorama. Meron ka din choices when it comes sa filter dito. Just press down this arrow and then makikita mo na kagad dyan yung mga choices of preference mo. For example, yung contrast, brightness, exposure, something like that, and also filter. Next thing that we have in here is sa front-facing camera. Sa front-facing camera, meron din tayong option to filter your, to adjust the brightness, contrast, something like that. And then we also have here portrait, photo. Yung photo, ayan. Yan lang yung option mo to zoom in and zoom out na very light. And also video recording, same resolution. We have 4K and 60 FPS. slow-mo, time-lapse, panorama, and also portrait. Same lang din ang option sa upper corner. We also have here some option for you to adjust the brightness of your pictures if by any chance you want it to be, maliwanag. Let's go ahead and proceed checking the video recording of this iPhone 11. So, video recording of iPhone 11. I'm currently using the main camera. As you can see, we have here the 0.5 video recording. And then, now proceed to the ×1 zoom in. So, ito yung ating 0.5 video recording ng ating iPhone 11. As you can see right here, this is the quality of this camera. So, next naman is front-facing camera of this iPhone 11. So, we have here the same resolution 4K with 60 FPS. So, let's start this one. So, video recording of iPhone 11 currently using the front-facing camera. So, front-facing camera, of course, you don't have an option to zoom in and zoom out this video. But look at that. Ang ganda ng quality ng iPhone 11 sa front-facing camera. Though, same lang naman sila ng main camera, but this one is actually good. Pero siguro, depende na lang talaga kung gaano kaliwanag yung no? So, let's proceed checking the quality naman ito pagdating sa photos. So, this is the 0.5. Hold on. Let's just maximize the brightness of this cell phone. So 0.5, 1, and then zoom in up until 5. So this is the 5 zoom in. Let's try another pictures pa. Let's try to use portrait using this my very aesthetic candlelight. Hold on. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay. So, next is try natin yung 0.5 nito. So, I'm just going to press the volume button. Let's try to see. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Let's take another. Okay. That is the 0.5. Ang cute no? Yan, 0.5, the portrait mode, the 5 zoom in, the 1 time zoom in, and the 0.5. So that is the camera quality of the main camera. So let's try the selfie camera naman. So, let's do this one. Okay. Oh, naka-on yung flash. Let's turn off the flash first. Naka-on kasi yung flash. So, let's try it again. Let's see. Okay, there is the quality. Oh, that was totally fine, So, video recording of iPhone 11 currently using the front-facing camera. So, front-facing camera, of course, you don't have an option to zoom in and zoom out this video. But look at that. Ang ganda ng quality ng iPhone 11 sa front-facing camera. Though, same lang naman sila ng main camera, but this one is actually good. Pero siguro depende na lang talaga kung gaano kaliwanag yung no? Alright. Video recording of iPhone 11. I'm currently using the main camera. As you can see, we have here the 0.5 video recording, and then proceed to the times 1 zoom in. So ito yung ating 0.5 video recording ng ating iPhone 11. As you can see right here, this is the quality of this camera. So that is the camera quality of this iPhone 11. Let's proceed naman ng mga sismar sa conclusion ko or feedback ko about this phone. So if you're going to ask me, Maring Ana, are you going to recommend this iPhone 11 this year, 2025? Definitely yes na yes. Because, mga ka-J-Vlog, I know that this iPhone 11 might be left out pagdating sa pag-upgrade ng iOS. Pero that was actually impossible because alam ko na matagal pa talaga si iPhone 11 maglalas up sa mga iOS niya. Alam ko si XR, may mga agam-agam or may mga feedback na sinagsasabi na magsasabay daw si 11 and XR pagdating sa, alam mo na, malileft out, sa iOS or sa OS na pag-upgrade. But actually depende naman talaga yun sa mga consumer or sa mga iOS user. I know na hindi na magiging cover yung iPhone 11, but kahit naman kasi sabihin natin na mali-left out na siya, magagamit mo pa rin talaga siya kahit na anong mangyari. So, if you're going to ask me, Maring Ana, marirecommend mo ba to si iPhone 11 within this year? Of course, I can recommend this phone. If you're going to ask me my own opinion, instead of buying XR, go ahead and purchase iPhone 11 or 13. So, yun talaga yung pinaka-best choice ko pagdating sa base model na budget-friendly phone. So, para sa akin, yun yung pinaka, worth it na worth it na pag-upgrade. For example, you're from Android, and then you want to switch into Apple user. So, instead of buying iPhone XR, XX, 10X Max, XS, something like that, then I suggest to purchase iPhone 11 instead. Or iPhone 13 if may budget naman kayo talaga. So, yung video recording earlier na nakita nyo, makikita nyo doon, mapapansin nyo doon na medyo may noise. And that is reasonable kasi nga, nasa loob ako ng bahay. Pero pag nag-video kayo outside your house, the quality of this iPhone 11 is still superb and excellent. Wala akong masabi kasi naging user din naman ako ng iPhone 11. Up until now, I still love the camera of this iPhone 11. So if you're going to ask me, yes, I can recommend iPhone 11. Again, I'm not a pro when it comes to reviewing some units and phone. I'm just sharing you guys my own feedback. It actually depends on your end if you want to purchase this item or not. This iPhone 11, mga sismars, it's still fine. Walang problema at napakaganda pa po ng camera nito. Next thing that I love with this one is of course yung battery. Tumatagal pa rin talaga siya pagdating sa video, sinuso, pagdating sa paglalaro. It depends na lang talaga sa mga user. If heavy user ka ng phone, of course, alam mo talagang hindi tatagal ito. If you want a phone na medyo matagal, go ahead and purchase Pro Max series or yung Pro version ng mga iPhone. Yun talaga yung mga matatagal na battery capacity. Okay? So, that is my own feedback with this iPhone 11. Once again, mga sismars, my name is Maring Ana. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, astories.ugc. Don't forget also to follow us on YouTube channel and comment down below kung ano pa yung mga next nating dapat i-camera test and vlog test. So, see you ulit sa ating next vlog, Viers.